Hi, this is week 13 update ng aking saxophone journey, and this week finally may class kami, saxophone class, so I was able to show my instructor yung piece that I've been working on, which is 1,000 Years. And yung instructor ko hindi masyadong familiar, but he knows the song. Hindi siya masyadong nagpa-play pala ng pop love songs. So he's more on classical jazz. And assessment niya. So nakakagulat. So, I was trying to impress, pero hindi yun yung feedback na nakuha ko. And he's more on, ang focus niya is my timing. So ang comment niya is I was more rhythmically aware. Alam ko daw yung rhythm ng kanta. So I was playing the saxophone in my head with the rhythm and not doing the actual count. So siguro nung sinusundan niya sa isip niya, either nauuna ako or nauhuli ako dun sa counting niya. And yun yung basically focus niya dun sa comment niya, which is I have to get back to dun sa counting. Kasi yung 1,000 Years na piano piece, music sheet na dala ko is, ang counting niya is 6/8. Sabi niya mahirap daw yun, very tricky. So kahit daw siya may nahihirapan dun sa beats nun. So eventually naglabas ako ng music sheet. Naghanap ako ng mga kanta na pinapractice ko. But I found out na most of it are also 6/8 na counting. Nakita ko lang na basic, yung madali is 4/4, which is yung kanta ng Side Band na Forevermore na lagi kong tinutugtog din with the backtracking. So dun niya na-comment yung counting na I was playing it with the rhythm that I know in my head. So parang kinakanta, which is yun naman talaga yung goal ko, maging soloist, not background music. I think yun yung comparison niya, kasi siya is more on the theoretical side na proper counting, proper tone, proper tune, proper notes. And I'm more of like a soloist, ad-lib, personalized. Kaya isa sa comment niya is hindi ko daw tinatang. So I focus daw ako, mag-practice pa raw ako ng tang. So yun ang gagawin ko. I should get back to the basic, dun sa fundamental. Practice ako ng yung sa book na yung sa namin sa lessons. See you later. Bye-bye.